Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Billy Vera and the Beaters. And we are going to react to the song At This Moment.
Yeah, it's the first time single take honest reaction, pure, raw, spontaneous, sincere, open and impromptu. The way we love to do it every single time. For our patron Jeff this time, you can check out our Patreon page to learn more about us, our channel, as well as about how we go about taking up request. The link is patreon.com/inoma, or you can visit the link in the description box of this video. At this moment, Billy, Vera and the Beaters.
What did you think I would do at this moment when you're standing before me with tears in your eyes, trying to tell me that you have found you another and you just don't love me no more. What did you think I would say at this moment when I'm faced with the knowledge that you just don't love me? Did you think I would curse you or say things to hurt you? 'Cause you just don't love me no more. Did you think I could hate you or raise my hands to you? Now come on, you know me too well. How could I hurt you when, darling, I love you and you know I'd never hurt you? Oh, what do you think I would give at this moment? If you'd stay, I'd subtract 20 years from my life. I'd fall down on my knees, kiss the ground that you walk on, if I could just hold you again. I'd fall down on my knees, kiss the ground that you walk on, baby, if I could just hold you. If I could just hold you. If I could just hold you.
this was brilliant. This was brilliant. His vocals, they were so much on the same level of quality. In live things change a little bit up and down, but for a live performance, this was brilliant. I like the way it was sung. I like the musical arrangement as well. Sometimes it would get too dreamy. Just be there still, and the wait moment, the interlude kind of thing. Wonderful, great song. I like this song.
Yeah, the only issue with me is if such flowery thoughts and language were actually done
Practiced, yeah.
while you were with that person, with that special someone.
This day wouldn't come.
Trust me, this day would never come. And it's for all relationships out there.
Yeah.
If you kiss the ground that your partner walked on and actually did that, not just used it in a song to sound good, the world would be a much better place than what it is today. Much, much better. The fact is that all these thoughts remain thoughts. They remain words in a song or in a poem. They don't actually get translated into action. Very few people actually consider their partners as gods and goddesses, literally. And this song, even though its heart is in the right place, it's far too late for you to do this or say this. While you were with that person, if you treated her that way, chances are very, very high you would have a very fulfilling, wholesome, meaningful, romantic relationship till you die, till either of you die. In other words, forever. To have that forever relationship is like a blessing by itself. And if you have it, don't waste it. Don't spare a moment to show your love and appreciation for your loved one. Beautiful song, very well sung, musically very nice, live performance it seemed, really, really good. But it failed to impress me because whenever such things happen, as a counselor with thousands of clients who have counseled successfully, as well as 22 years experience of studies, learning and practice, I know too well that if you took care of her while you were with her, the day would never come where she would walk out the door unless she died.